Buenos dias, YouTube. It's Value Hunter back with an unboxing video. This time I got a mail call from a good friend in the community who goes by the name of Veins of Gold and Silver. So guys, I got this package in the mail, not expecting to get anything from my good friend VOGAS, Veins of Gold and Silver. And he sent me this package. I do not know what's inside. I'm not expecting to get anything from the guy, but I will tell you I got quite a history following him and supporting and just commenting and being a part of what he's doing on YouTube and his involvement in the community. I first ran into him because I'm, as you know, I've done some trades with Losing Louie, who is an unbelievably talented pourer. He's also a stacker. He's one of the guys I find out about great opportunities to, pick up bullion. And this guy had gotten himself into a tremendous amount of debt from stacking gold and silver, and decided to de-lever and get rid of that debt by selling off his stack and working hard to pay down the debt. And each time he paid down a debt, he would increase what he was doing as far as buying one piece of silver or one piece of gold by hitting milestones back into his stack. And so I would just give him some words of encouragement that I thought that was really wise. I thought it was a good thing, not to go into debt, to buy gold and silver. And even though we think the market's moving and we want to stack at the right price, like slow and steady wins the race. And if we load up all at once and extend ourselves on credit, it's a recipe for discomfort, for disaster, for adding stress to your life. And so Veins of Gold and Silver is a really good example of how to do things the right way, or if you don't, how to fix things that you maybe have gone down a wrong path with. And so, in one of the comments, I shorten people's names a lot on YouTube when I'm typing to them. Put initials in for whatever their handle is. And Veins of Gold and Silver obviously has a long handle, and so I shortened it to VOGAS. And what's funny is, I don't know if I could take credit for that being the first time that he had seen that, but he commented back to me and he said, "VOGAS, I really like that." I'm going to use that. And so anyway, I'm not taking credit for your name, VOGAS, but I certainly love and get a smile on my face every time I see it up there spelled that way instead of the Veins of Gold and Silver all spelled out. So I don't know what's in here. I know he had mentioned me on a recent video. I know he had mentioned that he's looking at a channel review and he's going through and watching all my videos, which is amazing. I've got, about 100 of them out there, maybe 90 or so videos. So there's, hours probably of watching time because I have a tendency to be a little long-winded. But in the process, he mentioned there may be a package coming. I have no idea. I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't looking for it. I go down to the post office box. I open it up, and there's this box from Veins Gold and Silver. So my friend, I am super excited to see what's in here. And I've been wanting to do a trade with you, and we've talked back and forth about the potential of something like that, but I've been letting you do your thing as far as getting yourself out of debt and adding to your stack and getting kind of the base of your stack back and set up. And so this is, you're back in that scenario, and this is an opportune time for us to do something. And so we'll call this the first part or the first side of a trade, my friend. If you guys don't know Veins Gold and Silver, you need to go check out his channel. He is a super cool guy, and sent me, there's a package in here, but also have a little letter here from him. So let's see here. VH. Here's your friend, Vein of Gold and Silver. I have been thinking about you for over 6 months. All right, man, I appreciate that. I know you've been communicating with me back and forth on channels and posts for at least that long, right? And I want to say thanks for all your support. And you are my sub number 23 on my channel. Okay, cool. And number 1 on my Spanish channel. I love it. Yeah, he had a Spanish channel started and said, hey, I would love to get some subscribers over there. I shot over there and subbed him up. In short, you are special on my YouTube adventure. All right, well, thank you, VOGAS. You are special in my YouTube adventure as well, and I've appreciated all the content and the journey that you've been on, my friend, and it's been inspiring. I was looking for a graduation round to salivate what is heading your oldest son this coming, oh wow, but I haven't found it yet. Okay, this is just a present for you, VH. I know you may haven't gotten them yet, so here you are. Well, I certainly appreciate whatever this is, VOGAS, and my friend, I'm excited to open this, and it means a lot to me. And you know, you don't have to do that. I appreciate what you're saying. He's been watching. My oldest son has graduated high school and is off to college. Actually, this week when I'm opening this up, going up to university to drop him off, get him settled in, and so that's gonna be this is kind of an emotional week as a result of that for our family, but exciting and kind of new beginnings at the same time. As you know, it's kind of bittersweet when you have your first when any kid kind of flies the coop and goes off to school, right? For those of you who have experienced that, but so thank you, VOGAS. I appreciate your sentiment there and your thought. Looking for a graduation gift for my son is very kind of you, but I'm excited to be opening something up here that you're sending me for me as well. Man, there is a number of items in here, guys. What is this? I am absolutely blown away. Oh my gosh. Don't have any of them yet. You're not kidding. Oh my goodness. VOGAS, dude. Oh, he sends me a panda. Are you kidding? He is a panda collector. If you guys have seen his videos, you'll know that he has a penchant. He has a love for the Chinese pandas, and this is an absolutely beautiful coin. I have had one experience with pandas, and it was where I bought a bunch of them. I was watching Losing Louie, and I was watching VOGAS, and I thought, I'll add some of these to the stack. And I bought a bunch of them, and they were all fake. Unfortunately, I got my money back, but it sort of has scared me off from buying anymore because I don't want to get something that's not the real deal. But I know VOGAS and where he will pick up his precious metals that this is the authentic and genuine article. So very cool. Look how beautiful that is, guys. I mean, just amazing the way that the difference in finish with the frosting and the proof-like shine in the background comes through. And this is now, VOGAS, not only have I not got one of these yet, this is the only panda in my collection. And I will keep it forever. And it means a whole lot coming from you, my friend. I mean, it is absolutely a beautiful, beautiful piece. If you guys look at the finish, there's a little stuff on the capsule there, but if you look at the finish, it says 2019 down here, and I'll re-encapsulate. There's a little piece of plastic in there, unless it's holding it in. Oh, it is. There's 3 of them. So what they do here, guys, is they put a piece of plastic there, there, and there to keep it from rattling around. So that is pretty cool. It's good packaging. And these are quite a premium bullion. You can see it's 30 grams of 999 999 fine silver AG, and it has a picture of the Chinese building on the back there. Beautiful, beautiful coin, VOGAS. I appreciate it, my friend. I'm gonna have to put that on display. That thing is awesome. Absolutely cool, man. I love it. It is super nice, and I appreciate it. Look at this. So this is a 1/2 ounce, 2015 Battle of the Coral Sea, War in the Pacific. Check that thing out, guys. This is Australian. So it's Australia, 50 cent. And look at the matte finish and then the mirrored finish on her face. Or the BU finish on her face. The details in the crown. Love it. I've got a capsule. I'll put this in, VOGAS. Battle of the Coral Sea. And you got the battleship on one side. War in the Pacific, 41 to 45. And then you've got the Australian flag represented by the Southern Cross constellation on this side. And then you have the U.S. flag represented by the Stars and Stripes on the right. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous piece. Thank you so much, my friend. And what else has he sent me? This is absolutely too much, man. You are over the top. Look at this. These are all marked. And they're beautiful. This is a 31... Ha, that's so funny. 31 was missing, and I don't know if you watched that recent video where I had this missing from a book, VOGAS, but you just filled the hole in my book for me, my friend. That is so cool. And there's a 30. Beautiful, all fine. And that is a 21. D, are you freaking kidding me right now? VOGAS, dude. Seriously. Are you kidding me right now? That's a 21D, guys. That's a key date. 21D Mercury dime. VOGAS, dude. That's like in good condition, like probably equivalent value to that. That is freaking awesome. And that's another hole in my album that he would have seen. 24. I'm gonna have to go get the album out, dude. 24D. I bet you this is crazy, man. What did you do here? There's a 31 S. You sent me all these like key date and semi-key date Mercury dimes, bro. I mean, these aren't just like for the silver stack. These are like the collector's dream right here. There's the 28. There's the 28D. Guys, I don't even believe what I'm seeing here, but VOGAS just like helped me fill in the book for my Mercury dimes. I'm gonna put you on pause and I'll be right back with my book. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. You probably didn't notice I went anywhere, but I gotta just say, Vein of Gold and Silver, dude, you're blowing me away right now. I cannot even believe this, guys. So a recent video, he's been going through and watching some of my videos systematically for a channel review, and I don't even believe the generosity here, bro. Like, you're blowing me away. I can't even tell you, man. I hope, oh my gosh. I mean, I gotta tell you, I appreciate the gift, man. But you guys probably saw a recent video where I was going through this Mercury Dime album, and what you will notice is that there are some holes in here that I talked about wanting to fill, right? And so there's 3 on that page, and there's 3 on that page. And if you guys will notice something about the package I just opened from Veins of Gold and Silver, there's 3 and 3, right? So guess what, guys? It perfectly matches up to the dates that he saw I was missing. He's completed my book almost, guys. I'll have 1 Mercury dime missing in this book. Just unbelievable generosity. Hey, Vein of Gold and Silver, dude, so cool. I'm like super excited. I'm actually going to take these out and put them in the book, and I'm just really pumped up, dude. I can't tell you how much I appreciate the gift and the generosity. All of this, my friend, I mean, just absolutely amazing. I'm going to use my hands a little bit to talk the way that you do. I think it's really cool, man. Your channel's cool. Everything that you're about is cool. Your generosity is over the top, my friend. I just got to tell you, I really appreciate the camaraderie. I appreciate getting to know you. Even though we've never met in person, I feel like, you know, we've got a lot of common ground, and that we would just enjoy hanging out together and be buddies. If we were next door neighbors, we'd be chilling in each other's garages, you know? So it's one of those things, you know, where when I get out to your neck of the woods, I'll have to look you up so we can get together and, you know, grab a cup of coffee together or a meal, break some bread, my friend. It is good getting to know you on YouTube, and I really appreciate this gift. It is over the top generous. I can't say thank you enough, VOGAS. And for those of you guys watching this, you know, he's generous in more ways than just this gift, okay? Because the content, he really puts his heart into what he does when he's sharing on YouTube, and he's a great part of this community. And I feel, you know, just very fortunate and blessed to know him virtually. But you guys will feel the same way. Check out his channel. Guys, I'm going to get these going, and I really appreciate this, VOGAS. Gosh, guys, check him out. Subscribe to his channel. Man, like, subscribe, give me your comments down below. If you're as blown away by this as I am, you'll probably enjoy my reaction, but I'm like gobstopped. I am just dumbfounded here at this, and really cannot say, I'm just rambling at this point, VOGAS, but I can't say enough how much I appreciate it. And so until next time, guys, this is Value Hunter, and I'm signing out.